Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Focus, please. Focus. No. Okay? No. What is the title of these cookies?
I want to taste it.
Toasted coconut.
I want to taste it.
Shortbread cookies.
I want to taste it. Wait.
Okay, wait. No. Thumbprint no. I'm gonna say that again so I can get it right. Okay. Oh, I have it written down. Hello everybody, welcome to Mother Rabbit's Kitchen. We're gonna make these really special cookies today. They are toasted coconut thumbprint shortbread cookies filled with blackberry jam and drizzled with white chocolate. So we are so excited. There's a lot going on here, so we're gonna get started. All right, so the first thing we need to do is toast our coconut. We're gonna get 2 cups of coconut. We're gonna spread it on this sheet. Skylar, why don't you fill up a cup of coconut, spread it out on that cookie sheet. We've got the oven preheated. Okay, you can do the next one. We've got the oven preheated to 325. We're just gonna put this, whoops. That's okay. Okay, that's fine. Good. And one more cup.
Me. Spread it out.
Okay.
Me.
Okay, do you want to taste it? Here.
I want to taste it.
Okay, so I'm just gonna spread out this coconut on my parchment paper so it's kind of a nice even layer, it cooks evenly. And all we're doing is toasting it. It's gonna give it a really nice texture and a nice golden brown color. It's gonna bring out all of those nutty coconut flavors to add to our shortbread cookies. Okay, hold on. So this is going in the oven for about 5 minutes and I'm gonna stir it up and then maybe a few more minutes after that. You gotta keep an eye on it. Okay, I will let you stir it, just hold on. So I already have 2 sticks of butter in here. You want them soft, but not melted. So we're gonna beat the butter until, can you stop? We're gonna beat the butter until it is nice and fluffy. No, there's nothing in there. Oh, the coconut, okay. You wanna do this? Okay, we're gonna put in 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. I mean, not brown sugar, powdered sugar. That's a 1/2 cup. Okay, where's my 3/4? Here's my 3/4 cup.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Wait, what is that?
This is 3/4 of a cup.
Powdered sugar.
Of powdered sugar.
Oh, powdered sugar. I
Whoa, that's... All right, hold on, our coconut's buzzing. We need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. That's okay. That's why we did it over the extra bowl. Okay, thank you, Cam. We'll do it. Okay, so what? Okay, put it in there.
On one side, I just poured it.
Then we need a teaspoon of vanilla.
Teaspoon. It's my turn. Pink. It's my
Okay, and then we need a 1/4 of a teaspoon of almond oil. These are gonna be so good. Almond oil is my favorite.
Mama, it's the same thing as
Okay, Andy, are you ready? You're gonna hold this tiny little spoon nice and straight for me, okay? Good. Don't turn it over until I tell you, okay? Whoa, whoops, hold on, don't turn it over. That was like way too much. Hold on. Let go.
Uh-oh. This is almond extract?
Yeah. I just don't want it to be like
It
overpowering.
smells bad.
Okay, turn that over in there.
It's like what we put in the pistachio cake.
Then we're just gonna mix that together and then we'll add our flour.
They're extracts, right?
Yeah, the almond and vanilla. Go ahead, Sky. Mix that together. All right, good job. Next, we're gonna do 2 cups of flour, but we're just gonna do one at a time and mix it in, okay?
I love that.
So do you want to do?
It is my turn.
Oh, it's your turn? Okay. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. Just like this. And you can just hold it over that.
Let me taste it. What's this?
Come on, we gotta move along.
Sorry, Mom.
All right. Good. Now we're gonna mix it, and then you can add another cup. Here, Andy. Okay, go ahead and put it in. I've got my toasted coconut here. It's still really warm. I'm just taking it off the sheet pan so it can cool down a little bit before we add it. Oh, this is the best.
What was that?
Wait, it's hot. Here. Here. Taste it. Okay. Warm toasted coconut is the best thing.
Mom, can I
in the
taste
entire world.
that? I should taste it.
I
should
should
taste that. So, 12 cups of sugar.
I want to change the recipe a little bit. Okay.
I'm kidding. Change?
We did 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of regular sugar.
Okay,
So let's do
okay.
that. Are you eating it?
Yep. He just like took a big bunch. No. No!
Okay.
Wait. Stop.
Oh,
Can I take some?
all right. No, we need it for the recipe. Okay, just added a 1/4 cup of sugar. We just want these to be a little bit sweet.
Let's do it. Here, Dad.
Cookies are supposed to be sweet, right? Okay, so let's do. Yep. Let's turn it on.
Peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter.
Here. So. Now that
It's better.
is delicious.
So good.
Ooh, just drop in this coconut that's cool. Coconut avalanche. Woo!
I'm gonna do it.
You want to stir it, Bunny? Okay, go ahead and stir it. All right, so I'm gonna unplug this. Hey guys, can you stop, please? Okay. Shh, hold on. I will let you taste it. Just hold on. Oh my gosh. I love it. That is so delicious. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of sugar. All right, that's good. So this is our dough. It's a shortbread dough, so it's very crumbly looking. So we're just gonna take some cookie dough, squeeze it. Good job, Candy, you did it! So we're just gonna push down. Maybe I'll just use my thumb. I've never made thumbprint cookies before.
We've only did it with a fork on the peanut butter cookies.
Yeah, we did peanut butter cookies with a fork, but this is fun. I wasn't anticipating all of the reshaping of things. But when you make your own recipe, you're gonna
somehow get something.
I know it's gonna taste good.
I would. I don't know.
Ah!
Need help?
Do you think I got it? Okay.
Oh.
We got some blackberry preserves here. Andy, I don't know if that's helpful, bud. Can I show you how to do it first before you? Okay.
Right.
We're gonna take a little spoonful, not too much. Less is more. Plop it right in the middle. And that's it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Looks cute.
What do you think? Does that look beautiful or what?
Scary, actually.
Okay, so we're gonna stick these in a 325-degree oven for about 14 minutes. We'll check on them at 14 minutes and see if they need a little bit longer. Oh. These just came out of the oven and they look and smell amazing. They're very warm, so we're gonna let them cool and then we're gonna do a white chocolate drizzle on top. They're really big. Oh goodness, they're pretty big. And I ended up cooking them for about 16 minutes total.
And we're going to be making the white chocolate drizzle.
Yes,
right now.
we are. Okay. All right, ready? We're going to use a half cup of white chocolate chips, and it's very important that you don't spill them because, oh no, oh my goodness. If you spill them, just make sure you have little bunnies around that can help you clean them up. So we got our half cup of chocolate chips. We're gonna melt them in the microwave in 30-second increments, just until they are melty and smooth. So we've got our pastry bag here. We're gonna fill up the melted white chocolate in this pastry bag.
And we're gonna pipe it all over.
Snip off the tip, and it's gonna be really thin. We're just gonna do like, kind of like zigzags.
Yeah, we're gonna, can I help pipe it?
All right, so I'm just gonna let it fall down to the bottom there. And before you, that might have been too thick. Before you drizzle on the cookies, you want to see how it's going to look. So you're going to want to like test it out and drizzle on either a plate or, that looks good. Okay, it's a little bit thick, but let's try it. So you're going to kind of just drizzle and move and drizzle and move and whoops. Just like that.
Oh,
what do you think? You guys think it looks good?
Yeah, can I try it?
Yeah, so keep it moving the whole time. Start at the side. Yep. Yep. Don't touch the cookie though with it. Oh, okay. Yeah, we only go one time. We only go one time across, okay? Because we don't want to go. Okay.
Can I do mine?
How about you guys can each do your own cookie? Okay, yes. So Skylar, you did that one. And then Jana, you do the next one. Just a little drizzle, okay? Very good. Okay, Andy. It's your turn. You want to do one? You do this one, okay, bud? You gotta squeeze it. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Good job. Good job. Good job, bud. Skylar, this one's yours, right?
This one's mine.
Oh, this one's so cute. Great job.
Thank you. Hearts.
I know they look like little tarts. Okay, yeah.
Let's try mine.
What do you think? You like it? You don't like it?
Oh, I love it!
Oh, you tricked me. What do you think? You didn't even taste your jam yet. You gotta get in the middle there. It is so good. Oh my God. Do you like it, Andy?
Oh, too bad we can't have it.
I'll get some water for you guys.
Mama, can I show the camera?
You want to show the camera a cookie? Sure, you can show the camera.
The beautiful masterpiece.
Just let's not, you go ahead. You go ahead.
Look at that.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, they can see.
Masterpiece. Yes, you were right. It was ginormous. Huge. And delicious. That was awesome. You have to say one for Dad.
Yeah.
And it was a horrible piping, that's for sure. I must do one more.
No, you don't need to do one more. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for hanging out with us in Mother Rabbit's Kitchen. Bye.